Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix unusual activity detected in ElevenLabs. So first we will mention the reasons why this happens. So the common triggers we have using a VPN or proxy, logging in from different countries quickly, too many login attempts, spamming API requests, automated and bot behavior, even shared and public Wi-Fi. So to fix that issue, you need us first to turn off the VPN immediately. So this is the first cause. So you'll need to disable the VPN apps and Opera built-in VPN if you're on an Opera, and also disable the proxy settings. Then just close the browser completely. And how so? You will need just to go and right click on the taskbar and then just click on task manager. And right now I'm using the ElevenLabs on the Google Chrome. So what I'm going to do is to right click on the Google Chrome and then go with and task. And after that, you will need to reopen Google Chrome, go to the ElevenLabs.io, and then just log into your account. Also, I'd really advise you to switch to a stable network, okay? So just go ahead with fast.com, the powered by Netflix, as you can see, and check your megabytes per second just right here. So if it's slow, it's less than 10 megabytes per second, just go ahead and switch to the mobile data or to the home Wi-Fi or to another Wi-Fi. So that's only if you're using a public Wi-Fi, school or work network, and shared IP. That's because some shared IPs get flagged automatically. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.